What's up you guys, Taylor Motes here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I set up my camera equipment in my car for when I do car vlogs. So like yesterday I posted a vlog about how I used to live out of my car and I do these principles and everything. Anyway, I'm just going to show how I've set up my equipment in my car for anyone who'd like to do something similar. It's great for being able to vlog on the go with very high quality video footage. I'm using my Sony a7 III with a Rode video mic and a Fuel World monitor with a couple of suction cup mounts here, which is pretty much how I get everything attached. So like I have a couple of these suction cup mounts right here. So this is a single arm, and then this will be pretty much a 3 suction cup mount here. This is just going to allow the most amount of stability when having this amount of weight attached in this setup. Anyway, I'll do vlogs like that, or two, if you are just like a filmmaker and you are looking to just get really cool in car shots of somebody driving. You know, this is pretty much how it would look. So anyway, actually I'm gonna take my car around the block so you can kind of get a feel of what it looks like as far as stability wise, if that's something you can work with. And then with the lens I'm using on the Sony a7 III, I'm using the Tamron 17-28. So right now I'm at 17 millimeters, and to kind of show you what 28 looks like, if we'll take the bam. All right, so that is nice and close. That is nice and close. So I have my monitor right next to the lens there, so that's what I'm looking at right now. And yeah, so if you want a nice close-up of you talking while you're driving, this is a great lens. This is 28 millimeters right here, and if we're going to go back, this is 17, so you kind of get more of the car. You can see kind of what's going in the back seat there. It's great if you're gonna have somebody in the back seat and you want to switch up the focus to that person back there, or even do something to where you want to close in and focus on the person in the back seat. You can. So I kind of so if you want to do something like that, just remount it. You just change the focus, and then now you have the focus on the back seat there, and it's great. This is a great lens. To be able to do these types of shots for that exact thing. So if you're looking to create skits or create content in inside of a car, let's redo that. All right, then yeah, that's a nice setup here. Like I said, I'm using the Sony a7 III with the Tamron 17-28, and it's really an ideal lens for, I'd say, this type of situation. If you want to do any type of car shots inside the car, it definitely gets wide enough. Like again, this is 28 millimeters. This is going to provide a close-up on the driver or the passenger, depending on how you want to set it up. And I hope this helps you guys. Yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna put together a little skit for this exact setup to kind of show you what can be done. All right, you guys, catch you later.